What if a painting, a lie and a discovery could completely change the direction of your life? In this episode of Breaking Bad, everything around Walter White's secret empire gets tough, while Skyler begins to enter a world she can no longer escape. This is Season 3, Episode 11, Abbey Crew. Jesse Pinkman is in an art museum with Jane Margulies and looking at the creations of Georgia Olokiev. Jane tries to explain the meaning behind art and that the same subject can be looked at in different ways, each time taking something new. But Jesse didn't really get it. To him, it all seems the same. This moment with silence reveals something even more. Jesse has difficulty understanding meaning, emotions and long-term concepts. Recently, Skyler White is now fully immersed in Walter's dangerous business. She begins to learn how money actually works, and more importantly, how it must be hidden. Skyler began discussing serious ideas about laundering. These included using legal businesses to clean up the Walt's drug proceeds. It's no longer curiosity. Skyler is now an active participant. And the difference between protecting family and being a part of this crime begins to fade. He is progressively getting better physically, but he feels very let down mentally. He is stuck in a state of fragility and is unable to return to his former strength as a DEA agent. This frustration creates pressure inside of him, and a deep emotional journey beyond that begins. Jesse continues to try and run his part of the business. But something unexpected happens. He begins to notice things around him that have no connection. Through her interactions and environment, Jesse slowly begins to feel the cracks in this world she's involved in. The simple and easy life she once thought of, no longer at all convenient. There's always something bigger going on behind the scenes. He was introduced to Saul Goodman, a dubious but intelligent lawyer. He could make problems go away at some cost. Saul explains how money can be moved, hidden and preserved through legal loopholes. Skyler listened to him carefully and began to realize just how deep Walter's operation really was. This is the point of return. Fire in the end, everything is interconnected. Skyler is now involved in the laundering of Walt's money. Hank is emotionally and physically weak. Jesse is starting to see cracks in his reality. And Walter's empire has become more complicated than ever. Nothing has been easy anymore. Everyone is now stuck with the consequences of Walter White's choice. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for the next episode as much as today and take good care of yourself. Thank you.
The Empire is rising. Secrets, betrayal, transformation.